Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. So start learn opposite word. Happy, sad, happy and sad, happy sad, fast, slow, fast and slow, fast, slow, hot, cold, hot and cold, hot, cold, old, young, old and young, old, young, tall, short, tall and short, tall and short, day, night, day and night, day, night, near, far, near and far, near, far, open, close, open and close, open, close, reach, poor, rich and poor, rich, poor, big, small, big and small, big, small,